company is a Swiss company, family-owned business, and we are highly specialized in the development and the manufacturing of machining solutions for various market segments. And obviously, medtech business is one of the most important business we have worldwide. I mean, we are supplying manufacturing solutions to the medtech industry almost worldwide. And let's say the target to be here in Singapore is to promote our manufacturing solutions in Southeast of Asia. And basically, we are very much interested to develop the market. I have to say that it is the first time we are here participating to the MedTech exhibition in Singapore. We have been participating all over Europe, in China, but the response here in Singapore is very, very good. We have been very busy with a lot of requirements, looking for medical manufacturing solutions in Malaysia, in Indonesia, and high precision manufacturing parts also from Singapore here. So I have to say that we are very happy and satisfied with the business still today here.